So far, Lake Tahoe has been amazing. On Valentine's Day, Jin and I continued our journey by climbing up to the peak on Cave Rock to see a stunning view of Lake Tahoe. We also had dinner together, and not to forget, more fun up on the mountain. Wow! It's finally snowing. Wow, it's snowing so much. And it's really cold. It's gonna get down to -17 tonight. And we're talking about Celsius here. Look at the snow. It is so tall. It's taller than me. So much snow. Look at this, all snow. Wow. Taller than me. This is the trying to get up there, but we don't know how to get up there. It would be nice if we can get all the way to the top and then look at the mountains on the opposite side of the lake.
Yeah, it would be nice. How do we get up there?
I thought we can get up there,
But it's so cold today.
but I guess the trail is closed.
We don't even know where the trail is right now. Hey, no running!
Is it okay to go up?
Yeah, but it's really icy.
Can we get down later?
We just have to take our time.
One, two, three. We're going. Okay, we're going. He's gone.
Come on, baby.
For those who come to Lake Tahoe, remember to come to Cave Rock to watch sunset. I believe in the summer it's going to be so crowded and the parking is limited too, but I think it's worth coming even in the winter. Bear in mind though, it's going to be slippery in the winter, so need to be careful when you climb up there, but it's worth it. It's Valentine's Day yesterday, so it was really crowded to reserve a table at the restaurant. So it's the next day today. We are going to Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen, and we are so excited. Are you excited? Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm so hungry. So hungry. That plate's rather costly. Same thing with this one. What's the best thing that you like being with me?
Free stuff.
You know what? The best thing for you is the cooking.
It's really good.
Pretty good, right? Yeah.
heavenly, getting stuck everywhere. I feel like this whole thing is pushing my flesh down. I feel like that. It's like so heavy.
You just move this back.
Still. This day marks our last day at the Heavenly Ski Resort. We've been very excited about coming here, and it's hard to believe that it's time to leave. What got me excited the next day was my first time having In-N-Out.
This is gonna be my very first time having In-N-Out. I'm so excited. I want to try that and see and find out why is it so popular.
Only popular in California.
Yeah, there must be a reason why it's popular. But I'm not having high expectation.
Apparently In-N-Out has a lot of palm tree representing California. There we go. In-N-Out. Is this what's special about In-N-Out? I mean, it's okay. It's not like crunchy.
Yeah.
It's like I don't know how to describe it.
Such a big bite.
Pretty good. Regular burger taste. Five Guys better.
Good morning. This is day 4 or 5. I lost track. This is what happened when you have lots of fun and doing the same thing every day. We decided to come to Northstar because Heavenly was so flat and we had more fun at Northstar. So we probably hit the terrain park today and practice more. And I would like to explore more of the tree part. It's not very crowded today because it's Thursday. We came on Sunday last week and it was so crowded. But it looks perfect today. I changed out my goggle today because it's not the sunniest today and I think it's perfect. If I wear the darkest lens, it would be too dark for me to see things. We found a very nice trail called the Drifter and it's wide open and we can just drift however we want. No wonder it's called a Drifter.
There's no one here. It's great. So much fun.
So much fun. So much mucus too. Good morning. We are still in Reno. We just checked out from the hotel called Circus. We had the teppanyaki last night and it was so good. We are heading to Bend today in Oregon to meet up with our friends to snowboard again at Mount Bachelor. I found Raising Cane's here. I had Raising Cane's in Nebraska and I thought it was so good. I just never had it since I moved to Seattle. So now I'm so excited to have Raising Cane's. I don't know if it's gonna be just as good as the one I had in Nebraska. We'll see. It's sweet? Tasteless.
Sweet tea with it.
That's the memory. I don't remember Raising Cane's being this small. And the bread, it was so big in the bread. Yeah, sounds good. The sauce is good. Wow. Mm. 1654661 Excuse me. Oh, are you recording? We have had 5 different hotels in the past week, and this is the 6th. Technically, we did not pay for this because one of our friends happened to own this place, so
they let us stay here for the weekend.
So
that we can go ski. At Mount Bachelor.
And Mount Bachelor. What?
Baby, what are you doing?
I'm cutting onion.
Why do you have goggles on?
Because I'm cutting onion.
Do the goggles help you?
Yeah.
Can you even see?
No, it's actually really dark. But I will try to cut. Good morning.
Well, that's what they say.
Breakfast.
Keep Portland weird.
Oh, okay. Hey. That's mine. Wow.
How's it look?
You look good.
Looks good with the light?
Yeah.
This bag ends up being too small. So like, cause we're carrying the 360, we're carrying the beanies, the gloves, the radios. And now I can carry her crap and my crap.
We are here at Bend for 2 days because we are planning to go snowboarding at Mount Bachelor. I heard it's really fun. Yeah, I'm really excited to check that out. Tian, Alex, and Austin are here with us today, so I think it would be more fun having more friends around to snowboard together.
A few moments later.
Are you reckless?
No. Nope.
I told you not to jump, but you jumped today.
It was a small jump.
You got a small jump and dislocated your shoulder? Wow. Despite the injury, Jin is doing okay. And I'm grateful that we get to spend such a wonderful time with our friends before heading back up to Washington. Thank you guys for joining me with my Lake Tahoe diary. See you in the next video.